So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in create and format hard disk partitions. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to find your USB drive. So to know which one's which, you want to know what the gigabytes of the USB drive is. So for example, my USB has only 1 gigabyte, and it's this one right here. It's 1 gigabyte. So this is my USB. So you want to right click on it, and then you want to click on change drive letter and paths, and then you want to click on change. And you just want to change the drive letter to anything. So I'm just going to do the R drive, and I click on OK, and I click on yes. And now my USB drive has been changed to the R drive. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand disk drives, and then you want to find your USB drive. Now I'm using a virtual machine, so it's not going to show for me, but you're going to be seeing your USB drive. So you want to right click on it, and then you want to click on uninstall device. And I click on uninstall. I'm not going to uninstall it again because I'm using a virtual machine, but once you uninstall it, this will then disappear. And now you want to click on your computer's name on the top, and then you want to click on action, and then click on scan for hardware changes. And then your USB will appear again, and now you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.